So hello world, Grishon Nganga here from Nad Africa with another video. So this one will be a little bit different. This is a product review. It's an unboxing. Okay. This is an unboxing. The first unboxing ever. So please bear with me if this video is not the best of the quality. So yeah, again it will be a little bit shorter than the others. So today we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A20. That is the budget smartphone that was announced by Samsung in the A series line. The A series line is like includes the A10, A20, A30, A50, and I believe A70. Yeah, so this will be the A20. Yeah, this is the device here. I'll be unboxing this and I'll be switching to this phone for the near future. And I'll make a full review in the future. Yeah, so this is it. Let's see what it has. Specs. Let's start with the specs now. First of all, it's 6.4 inches. Yeah, has the Super AMOLED display by Samsung. Obviously, that's the good thing. It has the Infinity V display, definitely, and has the dual camera setup at the back, with the first camera being the 13 megapixel wide angle at I believe f1.9. Let me see. I believe f1.9. Okay, we'll see that later. F1.9, and then the other one is the 5 megapixel ultra wide at I believe 2.8. I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah, can't remember, but it's ultra wide. Anyway, yeah, has a 3 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM. Yeah, that's good. So let's get into it. Obviously, I don't have a knife, so I'm going to be doing it here right now. It's okay. Yeah. Oh shit. Officially the worst unboxing experience you'll ever watch, but who fucking cares? Is it? Here it is. Comes with a what's this? Manuals. Who read the manuals? No one reads manuals. Okay, that's the. So here it is, the device. We'll get to this later. What does it come with inside the box? Earphones, the standard Samsung earphones. I know they don't even sound great at all. Charger with a USB-C. Oh, it uses USB-C. So it comes with a charger and USB-C. Fast charger, USB-C. Yeah. So that aside, let's get to the device itself. Also has this SIM whatever. So here it is, the Samsung Galaxy A20. It was announced a couple of months ago. This is what everyone lives for, yeah? How do people do this? I wish I had an overhead rig so that you could see like an overhead view of this. But surprise, surprise! I'm a struggling artist on the YouTube space. Yeah. Yep. This is it. I have to admit, it feels super nice. The difference between the A20 and the A10 is only the fingerprint scanner at the back, and also has another extra GB of RAM. This is the blue one. I don't know which kind of blue this is, but it feels a little bit plasticky. Yes, I think it will be full of fingerprints in the future. I'm sure of that, but I'll just cover it with a phone case. I'm very bad at dropping phones, so I know I might break this a lot. So that's what I'll do. So let's turn it on and see. Samsung Galaxy A20. Yeah, so it runs on Android 9, which is So we're back now. Now I'm just setting up the face ID, facial recognition. Yeah. Yep, done. Already started. It's full of fingerprints already. And it's barely a few hours old. Anyways, I'll just put a cover on it. Yep. Yeah, so we're all done now. Anyways, I'll be testing this phone for the next 2 weeks, and then I'll make a full review on it. So please check out on that. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing down below for other videos like this, although I promise they will get better. So consider subscribing down below. Give it a like. Comment down below what you liked about this video, probably, or what you didn't like about this video. Other recommendations, other phones you'd like me to try if I get them, for example. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Until next time, see ya.